from the curry triangle to the rhubarb triangle to be here. So this is it's a nice change of scenery for me. We're starting our first demonstration with Lynn here from Tet. Now Tet is a Vietnamese stroke Thai. It's more Thai than Vietnamese, isn't it? You've got a Thai restaurant on the corner, and today we're going to be cooking a Thai dish with a little bit of a rhubarb twist. Show of hands, who's heard of tom yum soup? Show of hands, if you haven't heard of tom yum soup, you're in for a treat. Tom yum is a staple of Thai food. Thai food specialises in being hot, sour, sweet and salty, so it's something for all the taste buds. Today Lynn and Sam over there, that's Sam, and we got 3 as well, which interestingly in Thai 3 is Sam, so I'm number 3, Sam is number 3, and number 3 is called number 3, so we've got lots of 3s on stage today, which is going to throw us all off. This is true, it Nim Som Sam, number 3, so Sam, and 3. We'll keep counting to 3 and we'll hopefully get to the end of the day by the end. So, today we're going to be cooking prawn tom yum soup with a rhubarb twist. We're going to go through all the ingredients, including some nice Thai speciality ingredients, which are good for the throat, especially on a cold winter day. And then we're also going to be showing you how we do prawns, okay? We're going to give you a couple of different demonstrations on how they prepare prawns. So I'm going to hand over to Lynn. Lynn? Yes. Are we ready to go in our first demonstration of the morning?
So good morning everyone. Is anyone doesn't like Thai food here? Look like everyone likes it, so it's good start. So like Sammy said, we're going to show you how to cook the tom yum prawn soup. Why we doing this because we are in winter and we need some bit of sour, spicy, hot. Sometimes in our country, we believe when we have a cold during winter or rainy season, we eat hot soup with a bit of spicy and a lot of hot. It makes the cold go away, especially when we have a sore throat. That is a bad medication. You don't need to go to see an NHS doctor after having this soup. So usually we in this soup, we use a lot of lemon juice, but we are right in West Yorkshire and you are full of rhubarb, so we're going to use half of rhubarb and half of lemon juice. And Jeff Sam, he going to show you. You start to prepare on the vegetable, and like Sam, he said, Jeff Tree in the kitchen we have 2 different teams. So Jeff Tree is specialized get ready for the meat, especially the prawn. And we're going to show you how to get ready for the prawn in 2 different ways. It's one with a knife and another one with a scissor. So I'm going to move to the Jeff Sam to get ready for the start the vegetable. So Jeff Sam, you can show you your vegetable. So we have a lot of ingredients here. I think he likes to be gentle today, so he should cut at normal today. He haven't bring his big knife today. Yeah, like the rhubarb, you just chop it in pieces like this.
So it's just dicing the rhubarb, I think, as you can see. We're not going to, I don't know whether it would be juicy.
And you can see the rhubarb. This morning I spoke to Jeff, because I can see the rhubarb. You have the full body, the bottom one is called half, is that right? And the one need the leg. How you say it, Sam?
You want a softer rhubarb?
Yeah, the softer rhubarb. So that's why he just used the soft piece of the rhubarb. He just do a very small stem to get the softness. You're not using this big one. So if you do soup, please we recommend to use the small stem. And if you do the stir fry, or you do it to make the paste, please use the bigger stem.
So soup, you want a softer rhubarb, and if you're going to do a stir fry, you want the harder, thicker rhubarb.
Yes, I just learned the new word, harder, Sam. Thank you.
It's all right. That's what I'm here for. New words.
Yeah. So what he did, he put the prawn and then the rhubarb, and now he stir a little bit.
So the prawns changing colour, is that what we're looking for?
Yes, getting ready, yeah.
Rhubarb's,
and you feel how he's...
you know me, always feeling hungry.
And now he's squeezing the lemon.
The lime.
The lime.
The lime.
Thank you, sir.
But in Thailand, I've never found a lemon in Thailand. So it's always limes. They always use limes in Thailand. Yeah. You never find lemons, but they refer to lemons and limes as sort of the same thing. So we're using lime in this dish. What's that we got at the end there?
So we have the micro coriander. Normally in different dish we use the other coriander.
The full size.
The full size, yeah, thank you. I'm coming to your house to learn more English. Thanks a lot. But in the soup, we would recommend to use the micro herb to get the flavor, more flavor of it. Because I think the full size coriander sometimes it's hard, but it doesn't flavor enough. Is that right? The micro coriander, you can see it's very small, but when you buy it, it's full of flavor.
So do you chop the micro herbs or do you just put it in whole?
We just give it in whole, we put it in, yeah. So are we ready? Are we ready to serve? Oh, excited.
It's up to you, huh? I'm just salivating at the thought of this prawn.
Yeah.
Has anybody not like it? Has anybody got the gene that means they don't like coriander? Soap?
Yeah.
Can't stand? No. Everybody else likes coriander.
Yeah, that's the reason why you can see we put the coriander at the end. Because after a year, we're going to experience a lot of customers is not like coriander. It's just personal reference. I like yolks of pudding, but I don't like the gravy. I'm really sorry, but do you like gravy? So I know you do.
Look at me, of course I like gravy. I like gravy. But people who do, you might know people who don't like coriander, it's a gene difference. They don't like it because they don't. It's something different. There's a gene difference. So does it taste the soap? It tastes the soap, so it tastes the soap to them. There's nothing they can do about it.
I see.
So we can make you like gravy by force feeding you gravy every single day. There's nothing that will change their mind unless they go and live in a lush shop for the next year.
I just tell you experience. If you don't mind, when I go to a Sunday dinner and I order with the waiter and I said, please can I have that? Please can I have that without gravy?
You can't say that in Yorkshire, can you? Please.
Exactly. I could feel the whole restaurant on fire.
Do they turn on you?
Yeah, exactly. I asked my partner,
Lynn.
do I say something wrong here?
If you want people to come to your restaurant, just tell them all you like gravy.
I love gravy.
You'll have a queue out your door now, Lynn. People will be lining up.
Sound for, yeah. And so that's the reason when in our restaurant, I think most of Thai restaurants they do as well. They put like coriander, garlic, or even lemongrass, peanut on the note at the end. Because I love nowadays people.
The tent just while we prepare for our next chef. So our next chef will be here at 12 o'clock. From Vanilla Bean, we're going to be doing some rhubarb cookies. So feel free.
I don't like gravy either.
Don't like gravy either?
No.
Okay.